How to use Bing AI Image Generator in mobile. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we're going to show you how you will be able to generate your own images using the Bing application on your mobile phone. Now right now, I have opened my Bing and all we need to do is to select Copilot over here in the center on the bottom section. And this is basically like ChatGPT, but in Copilot or Bing's AI, you will be able to ask it to generate an image. So over here, let's say, generate an image of a cat riding a horse. Something like this. Click on enter, and the Copilot or the AI will respond that it will try to generate it. As you can see, I'll try to create that. And then after that, you will see over here below, it should generate the image that you are asking it. As you can see, your image is generating. So simply wait for a few moments and you will be able to receive the image that you are asking it to reproduce or produce. And there we go. As you can see, you can easily view it and you can even download it however you want to use it. And that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.